Today, 3 chocolate fanatics are going head-to-head with their ultimate twisted desserts, gooey centres, sticky sauces, and some surprisingly sticky opinions.
Is that gravy? Whoa, that is incredible.
Hello, my name is Tom. I've come up with this amalgamation, essentially, which is a huge pancake stack with Nutella on the top, drizzled with sticky toffee sauce, and it's just going to be incredible.
That smells really good. Okay, that is not gravy. I'll take that back.
When it came out, I was like, holy cow, how are we gonna eat this? I imagined taking a bite and it just sitting in my digestive tract for the rest of the day.
For me, cutting the cake was the most tricky part because it looked so beautifully presented. I didn't want to butcher it. Don't tell me the calorie count for this, please.
It almost looks like that cake from Matilda, that big chocolate cake that they have to eat. It did look quite sickly, quite chocolatey. That chocolate is so good.
I didn't think it would be that good, to be fair.
It's like really gooey.
It's decadent.
This is the most excited I've ever been in a long time. Maybe the best pancake I've ever had. You can't come up with this and not love chocolate.
I mean, we're both still eating and you're not.
What stood out to me the most was the frosting. Usually I'm not a big fan of frosting. I think it's gonna be sickly sweet. This was the kind that I was shoveling in my face and enjoying every moment.
Honestly, maybe I wouldn't have the whole thing, maybe half of it. 8.5 out of 10 for me. Twist.
The layers and the chocolate in between just goes really, really well. But I don't think it's gonna be for me. It's gonna be a miss.
Maybe we had different pancakes, but you know, each to their own.
When I saw you try and cut into that, I was really worried for a second because it looked so stodgy. But I think it's really delicious. It's surprisingly lighter than it looks, and it's a twist for me.
Can I get you, Tom, yelling, next?
Yes!
Sorry, next.
That's the most embarrassing thing I've done in my whole life. Next.
Ooh, it's like a macaron.
Oh, that looks beautiful.
Looks incredible. So my name's Jade. The dessert I've come up with today is a really delicious chocolate cake filled with oozing kind of caramelly pistachio cream in the middle. And it's kind of a surprise because you just look at it and you think, oh, it's just like a little cake. And then you cut into the middle and this pistachio cream just comes out.
It was so satisfying just opening it and it just spilling out that pistachio sauce. I was like, yes, yes, get inside me.
That is so good.
My first reaction was, this is really dry.
The cake, I do think, was quite dry. Definitely needed some ice cream, something to accompany it. Vanilla ice cream would be good with this.
I think it's not quite as chocolatey as I expected.
I think you have to get the pistachio bit. I don't think it was dry. I feel like they just weren't getting enough pistachio and I feel like I kept reminding them. I don't think it needs ice cream though because it's got that cream.
Are we eating the same thing? It was the kind of thing where if you're not careful and you're eating it too quickly, you're gonna cough.
I wonder how they make the pistachio cream. I'm not sure how that's... They squeeze the nut and the juice comes out?
They milk the nuts, yep. That's exactly how they do it.
First appearance, I thought, oh, that looks like a little, you know those little macarons? Now I've cut into it and I've tasted it, it tastes incredible. It's a 9 out of 10 and a twist from me.
I can appreciate the absolute craftsmanship that went into this. This looks really difficult to make. I don't even know where to start, especially when it comes to squeezing the nuts. Unfortunately, I'm going to disagree a little bit, sorry. It is a bit dry. A 6.5 out of 10. For me personally, I do have high standards. It's a miss.
I feel that the dryness of the overall cake overpowered the delicious velvety pistachio. 6.5 out of 10. It's a miss for me.
And Jade, can you shout next, please?
Yes. Next!
Really looking forward to something a bit cold, hopefully.
Oh, wow. It's purple. It is.
Oh my God, it's refreshing, yep.
Hi, my name is Karis. So the dessert that I've brought with me today is a cookie dough sandwich with ube ice cream in the middle, and then just drizzling the brown sugar over with the chewiness of the tapioca boba.
That looks insane.
It's like an ice
That's
cream.
definitely the nicest looking one, yeah. I'm not sure what the black bits on top are. Maybe blueberries?
Wait,
Yeah,
is it
blueberry.
boba? Or do you reckon it's bubble tea flavour?
Let's get stuck in.
Oh my God.
Oh God.
Whoa.
That is so nice. The cookies, incredible. Honestly, can't fault them at all. Potentially a 9 out of 10.
You can't eat this on the first day, can you?
Not tasting too much of the ice cream.
Yeah, I can't really taste the ice cream.
I think I wanted the ube to be more pronounced. It's kind of overpowered by the chocolate.
It tastes a bit fluffy.
Yeah.
It was refreshing, but it wouldn't be something that I choose on the menu. I think just adding some pistachio to it basically, a little bit of drizzle. Pistachio makes everything better.
I really like the concept, but I'm not sure about the execution. Ice cream, it wasn't as strong a flavor. It was very mild and really overpowered by the cookie. I think I'll have to give it a 6 for innovation because it's an awesome idea, but it will have to be a miss from me.
Again, I have to agree, the ice cream just wasn't ice creaming for me. However, the cookies were incredible. I'm a big cookie fan, so for me, that's an absolute twist.
I did enjoy it, but the ice cream for me, it was just too fluffy. It tasted a bit like, I don't know, like clotted cream or something. It's not a dessert that I could devour in minutes, so it's gonna be a miss from me. 6 out of 10.
I think the pancakes were the best.
Yeah, the
I'm gonna
pancakes
have to
were good,
agree.
but then I like the pistachio because I like the hot dessert.
Yeah.
I think you chose that one.
I am the pistachio. I feel like you're the pancake.
Yeah.
I feel like, yeah. And you have to be the thing because you knew what the little balls
Yes,
were on top.
I asked
Okay.
myself.
I'd put the ice cream 3.
I put the ice cream 3.
Okay, so ice cream's free.
Yeah.
I'll take it. It's motivation to do better in future. I'm sorry, Mom.
And then number 2,
Pistachio.
Pistachio. I was surprised though. I thought the pistachio would come last, but actually it came second, which is pretty good.
and then that means
You're
number
first.
1. Yes! Next. The only trophy that came home this summer. Listen, we can't all win. However, I do think everyone deserved their spot. I know it sounds a bit mean, but it is what it is. Thank you very much for watching. Let us know down below what you want to see next.